So today I am going to explain you about the multi-stage graph. Here in multi-stage graph, here the graph is given and we have to write the stages here. It's already written and the answer is also there. I just copied the image I have downloaded the image from the Google. So actually what you have to do, if the graph is given, we have to write the stages. That is, this is the first stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage and fifth stage. The question is find the shortest path. It is just like a single source shortest path, but the formula is different. And this multi-stage graph will come under the dynamic programming. That is the chapter of dynamic programming. This is the fourth chapter, dynamic programming. In that the multi-stage graph will come, and here there are two types are there. One is forward approach and another one is a backward approach. So in forward approach means what? We have to move from back to front, that is in opposite direction, and in backward approach front to back. But here it is showing the arrows in the from left to right. But they have told to solve this using the forward approach. Once the see here, solve the following graph, find the path using multi-stage forward approach. So once they have told to find the forward approach, it is from 12 to 1, that is this one. From 12 to 1 we have to make the forward approach. So now here the formula is given and you have to remember this formula. C means cost, I means stage, J means vertex, min C J comma L. J is known as what? Vertex. L means what? Out degree. Out degree means from one vertex where it is joined, how many vertices joined. So that is known as L, that is out degree. So you understood now the basic of this. If we apply the formula and after that at the end we will find the shortest path, and here for this multi-stage graph it is of 10 marks. See now what they told to solve this using backward approach. So what we have to do, we have to follow from back to front. So what is the first stage? This is the stage 5. Here we have to write stage 5 and vertex is which one? 12. So here C of this is the stage 5 and here is the 12. This is I, this is J. So J value is what? 12. And out degree of J, any out degree is there, any vertex is contacted here outside? No. So what you have to do? 0. And here this is I, 5. So 5 we have to keep here, out degree is what? 0. So like this. After that, min cost of 12 comma 0 is what? There is nothing. 12 comma 0 is nothing, so we have to keep as it is 0. Next, cost of 6 comma 0, it's nothing. 6 comma 0, there is no vertex, no stage, nothing here. 6 comma 0. So what we have to do, we have to keep the same thing as it is 0. So the answer will be what? 0. C 5 comma 12 answer is 0. So next is what? After the fifth stage we move to fourth stage, that is fifth part is done. Now we have to find out 4 comma 9, 4 comma 10, 4 comma 11, same as 5 comma 12 we have done. 5 comma 12 we have done. Next we have to move 4 comma 9, 4 comma 10 and 4 comma 11 we have to find out. So we'll move to the fourth stage, that I have written the formula here. Same thing, what you have to do, here you have to apply what is the stage. 4 is the stage, and what is the vertex? 9 is the 9 vertex is there. So here J is there, in that you have to put 9. And what is the out degree of 9? Out degree of 9 means 9 is connected to where? 12. Out degree, only we need to see the out degree. 9 is connected to 12. So what you have to do, you have to write here 12, and here 4 plus 1 means what? That is I value is what? 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and out degree is what? 12. L means what? 12 only. Okay. So now when we do like this, so cost of 9 comma 12, what is the cost of 9 comma 12? It is 4. So I have written 4. And cost of 5 comma 12, here cost, previous one we have to check. Cost of 5 comma 12 is what? 0. So, sorry, here what you have to do, you have to make it plus. In the formula only we made a mistake. The formula is like this. Okay, we just have written here comma. Now 4 plus 0 is, answer is what? 4 only. So at the end we'll get the answer as 4. So next we 4 comma 9 we find out it. Next 4 comma 10, that is same formula, and same thing, I instead of I 4, J is what? 10, and here J is also 10. Out degree of J is what? Out degree of J is 1, and that is connected to 12. Okay, so here you have to put 12, and I value is what? 4. 4 plus 1 means 5. Out degree is what? 12. So cost of 10 comma 12, cost of 10 comma 12 is 2. So what we have done, cost of 10 comma 12 is 2, comma plus 5 comma 12, that is the previous stage. What is the answer? 5 comma 12, that is 0. So what we'll get? We get answer as 2. So same thing we have to follow this same concept here. That is C 4 comma 10. What is the answer? That is answer is 2. So now what we'll do, we'll do the last one, that is 4 comma 10 is done, 4 comma 9 is done, 4 comma 10 we done, 4 comma 12. So 4 comma 12, 4, stage is 4, and vertices is 12. Here also J value will become 12. Out degree of J is what? Out degree of J is connected to 12 only. Here I plus 1, what is the value of I? That is 4. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. And L means what? That is 12. Same thing. So 4 plus 1 is 5. L is what? 12. So if we calculate this, okay, cost of 12 comma 12 here. sorry, this is 11, I think so. Yes, it is 11, it's not 12. It's 11 to 12 is what is the cost of 11 to 12? It is 5 plus 5 comma 12, that is only previous one, 0. So last answer is what? 5 plus 0 is 5. So same thing we have to do for the third stage, that is fifth stage is done, fourth stage is done. Now we have to do third stage, that I will do in the next video. Thank you.